Here we are backstage at the Davines Worldwide Hair Tour 2024 in Berlin. This is my model Stephanie from A Song For You. She has the most amazing curly hair. Starting on top, my first section is in the centre from the front hairline to the top of the head. And my lengths are shorter at the front hairline, increasing in length towards the back. Horizontally, my lengths are going to be getting shorter to the roundness of the head. And my movement of sections are forwards. This is where my previous section moves forwards and my new sections come straight out from its base. I'm working with clean sections, so that way I'm able to see the root of the hair I'm going to be cutting. Cross-checking my lengths, so you can clearly see how they're getting shorter to the roundness of the head. And I'm just allowing the hair to fall at natural fall and breathe. Working with disconnection, section 1 I'm gently tucking behind Stephanie's ear. And section 2 I'm coming down to natural fall and I'm cutting an external length using a texturizing razor. Section 2 is being combed backwards to section number 1. And I'm going to continue with this movement of sections to the top of the head. You can see by using the texturizing razor and creating a lot more separation within the curls. And again, I'm allowing the hair to breathe. To connect the top into the external length, I'm using the previously cut hair and the external length as a guide, and I'm connecting the two. Horizontally, I want to keep my lengths more consistent, so the movement of sections that I'm using are forwards and backwards, so they meet in the middle, to keep that rounder feeling. To disconnect the lengths in the back, I've taken a horizontal section and I'm connecting the front with more consistent lengths towards the centre. And then taking vertical sections, using the front hair at the front and the horizontal section to understand the movement of my sections. And I'm working with parallel sections towards the centre. Just checking my profile, see how the lengths work, and gently diffusing Stephanie's hair to create some more volume and really emphasise the shape. Here I'm using the texturizing razor to refine the fringe area. Just picking random pieces of hair. And here's the finished look.
We're going to say like, subscribe.
Like,
Share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
idea. And then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.